Here's 900 grams, just under a kilo of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's a bit of a mixture. I think there's 1 or 2 bits of choroid in here. The rest I don't know where it's come from. Rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted to help bring out the colours. I'll just zoom in. Okay, we'll start off with this bit of choroid in the middle here. Some nice pattern there. Purple comes through here. This piece, which is up the top right corner, got a nice little eye of colour there. Another piece of choroid. Patterns there. Then you've got some pieces of boulder that's I've broken down from bigger pieces to concentrate the colour and not have so much weight for you. Some are better than others. Some of these lines you might need to chase, see what you can find. This piece has got some very fine lines of opal colour in it there. Whether it turns into anything or not, I can't guarantee. I've basically thrown that bit in. Piece like this, you could either just cut and face and have the lines of colour, or like here you can see there's a trace coming out. Where that goes, who knows. You could try grind down and find which way the colour bar runs. How far in that it goes, I don't know. I can't guarantee that. A piece with a little eye in it there. That quite possibly could be nice colour right through here. It's hard to know. It's broken on that face. Whether the colour goes around the corner and follows that bar, I can't guarantee. I think I've showed you that piece. Lucky last. Might find some of these go down. Like there. Anyway, I've done it up 900 grams, so it keeps it under a kilo for the postage. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.